what's going on? This is Dutterberry and welcome to a brand new segment called Answer This. I'm right inside a crossroad near the clock, and at some point I'm going to say, I'm half a tree, but just ignore that. But anyhow, I go around and I ask people the question, what do you think about Spice's new image, the luxury look? Follow back on me and hear how the people them are going to answer this. Alright, somebody would rush them. What do you think about the new Spice image? The chrome look, the chrome Spice.
Well, I don't know. Everybody have a different perspective still, but to me, she shot still. I like the new look Spice, I see it. Because you don't know, we are Jamaicans from a born, them and say, oh, you're black and ugly and them thing there, see me? So why not give them something else to talk about, though? So
that's why you are give them something to talk about?
Yeah, man, give them something for talk about.
So what kind, which formula you use? I think the same thing Spice I use, I think it's just like a gimmicks thing.
No. I good like a dozen pieces soul, I don't know.
Since you say that I'm too black for you, I please you, do I look how you want me to?
Alright, come answer the question now, come here. Come here. Where run? No run! What do you think about Spice look?
Spice, you're pretty. You turn up, girl.
So you like her as a luxury doll?
Yes.
Alright, big up
you
yourself.
Come out.
Ray.
Yes, Spice, you come out strong pan them. Ray.
What do you think Aishana can do now for comeback? What do you think Aishana can do now?
Me leave out that part there.
Alright. Alright, somebody there with Sean, I'm going to ask you the question. You see the Spice image, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about Spice new look?
It up, man. As I say.
How much out of 10 you give it?
I give it 100. I give it 10. 100 I give it because it's a nice image. As I call Kartel could come with something like that. As I mean, so it's a nice image to her. She want to run with it, she run with it. As I mean.
If I wake up tomorrow, look like a brownie.
Are you give her the formula? Don't talk it.
No.
Are you give her?
I know me get bad to find a one formula.
So what? So me want because since you clearly must understand the life. Some people are say the pills, some people are say like the cream she use. What you think could have make she like transform so smooth so quick?
Well, it have to do with some and cream she use.
What do you think so she could have used?
The injection. Injection or the pill, isn't it?
And them something expensive though.
Yeah, it's expensive, but me not follow it up still, you know. You see me?
Alright, somebody there would smell good, Alicia. What do you think about Spice transformation?
Well, really what I saw, I couldn't believe that Spice, as a black girl, I expected her to just remain her true black beauty. You get what I mean? So
I look around the place now, you know see a lot of girls let me know want to look like Kim Kardashian with blue contacts and them some of them.
they say she move with the time.
She move with the time. I don't know, next time I might see you, might be luxury doll, Alicia.
Oh my God.
Alright, somebody there with Omi. The question is, what do you think about Spice new look, the new image, the bleach chin version?
Well, when I think of bleach, I just a little thing.
Like a gimmick.
Yeah, forget about the media, okay? You don't know.
Yeah.
I spice that.
You think a Kartel give her the formula?
No.
Where do you think she get it from?
There's no formula.
No. Alright, so what would you say to the people them who that say like, yo, you know, Spice, you sell out and all them look at something?
No, she not sell out because she's still black. It's just a little makeup thing on her body. So she's still black and she represents for Jamaica. So you don't know. You think Spice.
Alright, so what do you think say Aishana and Chenchi can do now for kind of get back the people them attention?
Get black.
A same thing with us than somebody a while ago.
I was told I would reach further if the color of my skin was lighter.
Boy, tell you, see the truth? Yeah. When them, I don't see it yet, I don't see the image yet.
Oh, you don't see the image?
No.
Hold on, High Heart got you. Here.
Alright.
This is it.
Whoa! John, you want to spice this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, trust me.
Wait a sec.
When them, I tell you something, I like it still, I hear that. Yo, she look false still.
Are the same formula you and her use?
No.
Which formula you use and which formula you think she use?
Some
people say they feel this.
Well, you when them call it, me I use, when you see the cake soap.
A cake soap you use?
Alright.
Me not believe
you like what Kartel use, yeah, man?
No, I think a Necrozone and immediate clear and BioClear you
nah, use. Man. Bro, man, your cake soap me I use, man.
Alright, so what do you think about Spice new transformation? She said it's a fresh start.
Boy, I don't know, you know. I not feel a look here, trust me, cause
I'm not feeling that, but to each them own. If she feel like she need a new start, would they accept her? Well, I think me dad accept her black because she look nice black. Yeah. My music myself, so just put on some nice music on my ear. That's all I care about.
Say, you would want chrome like her for the Christmas?
No, no.
Think about the image, man. Fresh start, all them something.
My fresh start right now, just home stay.
Oh, jeez, I'm
Get hate from my own race, yes, that's a fact.
I'm waiting about Spice image.
Yo, to each his own, you know. So I believe if that's what she want to do, I just fair thing that.
If you see her in the club like that, you'll step to her?
Depends.
You prefer black pepper or the chrome spice?
Chrome.
The chrome spice, why?
Definitely. Maybe the difference, because I'm used to the old spice so much, the difference now kind of give me a new interest in her, someone I start listening to her song, them and bear things.
Some of the inside of the trends clothing, right inside her, which part is?
York Plaza.
York Plaza, Alpha Tree. And the question, waiting about Spice, new look, the transformation. Go first. Come on, waiting about it.
As for me, well, I don't like her brown. I prefer her black.
Oh, you prefer the dark skin?
Yeah, I prefer the dark skin. Yeah, match her personality.
Waiting about.
Yeah, for real. I think it's
You don't like the brown spice?
No, I prefer the black spice.
For you, I please you. Do I look how you want me to?
Blaze, the question, waiting about Spice new image.
Boy, it's shocking.
It's shocking?
Yeah.
You think say Kartel give her the formula?
Boy, I don't know. Swear.
What advice would I give to like Aisha and Shensi and if they want to catch by the people them attention? What them can do right now because Spice are on the streets right about now?
Boy, them would have to just inbox her in our message, you know. Give her a small message to Spice, you hear me? Just send over the formula, yeah, man.
So what your formula?
My formula?
Yeah. Why your formula? Alright, so brother, what do you think about Spice new transformation?
Well, she alright still now. We read the business about she, you know.
What do you say, black spice or brown spice? Which one? Old spice or new spice?
Black one look better still.
Waiting.
I'm a good man. A good man.
What you say?
No, it's good. It's good man. It's a good man. Why good man?
So you say I can't make up?
No, I don't make up. Me know our man. I don't make up.
Oh, you, so what then?
I tell you something, I know our man.
But if I don't make up, what then? How you manage to cover up the whole of our body? Oh, so quick?
Small thing should man.
What you say? You think of the pill?
That's a glow thing. I don't pill neither, man.
Oh.
Pill and no cream. That's a little thing she do. And because I love her in pop, make she do it. That's
oh,
it.
okay. So she can give the attention.
Money she make though.
Okay. So any advice to Aisha and them and the rest of them if they want?
No matter where you see everybody post. Nikki Chrome has all them post about it. And no cream she use. And no bleaching.
A real thing.
I just she do her thing. So next week now she just do her thing.
Yeah.
They don't know now she the woman now say anything she do real or follow her still and it all go out. That's it.
Well, Spice looks so horrible to me. So she look weird, you know, cause she look good, you know. But me not tell people for do them lifestyle and thing. But I don't know why people took onto themselves to bleach out themselves and those things. Cause God make it a beautiful look. Why people want try to do their self like that?
Like say you are fi brown fi pretty.
Well, I don't have a problem with it, you know. I think it looks good. It looks really good.
So you think black spice versus the new spice, like which one you say would have the edge? Just in terms of like the image.
The new spice.
She had the luxury that Kartel I talk about right now. You see it? I like the look. It's a good look.
So which one you prefer? Old spice or new spice?
Well, spice is spice, you know. Everything nice.
You think say it's like a wait I say? You think it's like an actual bleach or skin? I think I just like makeup and gimmick shadow.
Well, it can be real, but my opinion that look like a quick makeup. Yeah, a quick makeup. Just so the hypocrites them as well. The new tune say I said say.
Black hypocrisy.
Black hypocrisy.
Me love the way me look, me love me pretty black skin.
Right, so you think say it's like a gimmick thing or a planting?
No, it's basically for promote our video, our new video we are come up now. So yeah, that's about it.
So suppose in a real life, so she start answer a call, man. Who name Shorty?
Shorty.
Shorty. Answer I go. Put Shorty on speaker and I ask her the question.
Shorty, hold on.
Dirty Berry, Shorty, what you think about Spice new look?
It's not real, so it's not something to think about.
Well, Spice new look, well, all I can say is that she's a human being, whether it's bleaching or natural.
Stop trying to be politically correct. You think it's a win or a miss? You think it's shot or it's not?
Yeah, she pull it off.
So you would have done Spice as how she is now?
As how she is now?
Yeah, as the luxury Spice.
Yeah, she pull it off.
Okay, so you think it's a publicity stunt or actually bleach her skin?
No man, that sure says it's bleach, man.
So let me know in terms of like the image, what you think like the black spice where you wouldn't know like something like it spice or this one, which one you think win?
Well, I wanna win.
By far?
Yeah. Yeah, she wanna win.
Alright, somebody there with a group named the Portlanders. They look like one 2018 Grace Thrillers. But anyway, wanna see the Spice picture, right?
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Wanna see the Spice picture?
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, so what do you think about Spice new image?
It's a hit, definitely.
It actually look interesting and pull people in.
Definitely.
What do you say, boss?
Well, I think it's a very good marketing plan for a new song, you know.
Alright, spoken well, alright.
Very good idea.
I think she did a great job.
Okay. So in terms of for people that sell like Old Spice versus New Spice, which one you think I win? The Dark Spice where you know or this new luxury down?
Dark Spice.
Dark Spice.
Alright, Dark Spice is original, but for the moment,
yeah,
the New Spice are the thing right now.
Alright, so more if I help out some people now, what advice would you give to Aishana and Shensia now if they want to capture about the people attention now because Spice are running with it? What do you think them can do?
Them have become good. That's how me can say.
I have no idea.
Alright, the Mr. Marketing Strategy man, like what you think now? What do them think?
They have to come up with something good so they can strip Spice foot in the race, you know.
Yeah, like,
man.
what do you think? I'm not suggesting.
Why? I don't know. They never come hard, real hard.
Yeah, they suggesting maybe like go black. Shensia. Like a shoes polish look. Yeah.
But what me I say now, like how they have the makeup and the bleach, you go brown. What they have to go black?
Shoes polish?
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, man, something must be there.
Something like that.
Alright, bless up Portland. Well, that is it, people, for this segment called Answer This. You've heard what the people have to say. Some people actually like the look. Some people say no. Some people feel say it's fake. Some people believe say, you know, a real something. But what do you have to say? Comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you leave a thumbs up. That is a like. Also a comment and make sure you say subscribe. Take care until next time. You want big up talk?
Big up my son, Leroy Jr., and big up the whole Melbrook. And big up my baby mother, you know. Big up Malik and Papa. Big up yourself, Glamour. Don't know. Half a tree.
Oh, I just want to big up my brand, Lash Me by Dana. So you can come on down to Shop 29 York Plaza and get your lashes doll. We have all different styles. Like 5 styling stores. So you can just come and get all doll up with my lash them. Yeah. Just $1,500 for one pair.
Alright, anything you want to big up? Anybody you want to big up?
Well, big up the store itself, the trends, you know, we have the latest in fashion, so come support us. 29 York Plaza, half a tree.
Yeah, let's go.
Big up DJ Panid and big up First by J, the art store now.
Yeah, man, big up my daughter Kalia, big up my son LJ, big up my mother Navlet, big up the Portland operational support team, you know. Big up Jai, big up all our Portland family, all our St. Thomas family, you know. Big up all of my brother and my father. Straight.
Alright. Okay, so what kind of advice would I give to like Aishana and Shensia if they want to catch by the people them attention?
I will tell her that personally, off the air.
What you gonna tell Shensia? So?
Can't tell you.
Talk no man, what you gonna tell
No
Shensia?
man, that's I can't tell.
Oh, yeah, what crush man Shensia?
Well, that I can't answer that either.
You can't make Ramesh find out it's a Ramesh. See the face, yeah, I know. Ramesh. Gloves and beer things.
Yeah.
Get your image, watch it.
Oh, you mean?
Get your image.
Oh, you mean? Swagging.
So you ready for Christmas?
Yeah, man. Always.
Anybody want big up?
Yeah, man, big up my mother in here, you see me, and big up my father over England, you see me, Otis. You see me? Yes.
Alright, bleaching question. Necrozome or BioClear?
Alright, BioClear.
Why?
Well, no people don't really like it, but it can go on, you see me?
Which one you use?
I use BioClear and Maxilite, you see me?
So the next time if I book you up a road run at December, none of this, no socks, none of this, not supposed to be there?
No, none of that, man.